I didn't always rise so early, but there's something in the trees, and she's new and I never want her to leave. She's foreign, yet familiar, in a language alien, but in my heart she's made a home. And all I want's for her to echo back, it's with you I belong. She's a bird song. She's a bird song. The sun could rise 1,000 times, in 1,000 different shades and in 1,000 different ways. But believe me when I say it couldn't nearly match the likeness of her. All else seems cold and dead. Anytime she comes around, I take in as much as I can. And I don't think Christ could ever understand what her sort of beauty does to a man. She's a bird song. She's a bird song. Wide awake, yeah, it's morning. I've seen 1,000 different shades and in 1,000 different ways. And I don't think even a second coming of Christ could bring as much beauty into the world.